So you clicked on this video basically because you are going for a camping trip, and in this video you're going to learn the best skills for your camping journey. So just stay till the end, like the video, subscribe, and let's delve straight into the videos. Wow. Okay. Wow. This is beautiful. Another one. Yeah, very strong guys. They can hold your pulse and all of it. Beautiful. Yeah. So please take note of the processes involved in these videos. Wow. Okay, he's trying to build a shelter from scratch. Beautiful. Okay. Oh, he just got some fire in the first part. That was beautiful. Okay. Wow. Beautiful. Wow. Beautiful. I hope you are learning something. Wow. Oh, he's purifying the water. This is so beautiful to watch. Wow. Mm. Boiled and consumed. Nice. Okay. Beautiful. Very simple. One thing I love about these videos is that the steps are very simple and everyone can do it from home. So, boom. Beautiful. You've got some lights. Interesting. Okay. Toothpaste. Cream. Okay. Very simple. I mean, well, you can be able to do this even from home. Beautiful. Simple. Okay. Yeah. Just follow the steps. I hope you are writing something down. Voila, very simple. There you go. Very beautiful and simple. Oh, what's up on the bamboo? So good. I love it. So this is so good. I hope you're learning something, guys. Okay, so how to get the key? Oh, so that's a magnet, right? Okay, so it's basically use what you have to get what you want. It is that simple. You should be able to do this. Wow, I love this. Very simple and secure. hmm So good. You can be able to sit on that. Not only that, yeah.
Can you make a fire?
Yeah, we're building some
In order to
fire
fire, I need two
from
pieces of wood.
scratch.
One's gonna be my spindle,
This
one's gonna
the
be my hard
video.
fork. The other thing I need for this
Watch
fire
it
is a
again.
good tinder bundle. Essentially, it looks just like a bird's nest. First, I need to make a little pilot hole, just like that.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna burn it, very solid looking hole. Once I burned in my hole, I'm gonna cut a notch. I want my notch to go right before the actual center of the hole. Applying downward pressure, rapid rotation of my hands, we'll get a coal.
Whoa. So you just transfer it. Yeah. That's it. Very simple.
That's how you build fire.
So you should try it. Okay, so yes, thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you a safe trip on your camping journey. So please share us your testimony. Which of these survival skills did you use in your trip? So thanks for watching. Like this video, share and subscribe for more basically survival videos. Thank you very much.